For most organizations, the data challenge is real. They struggle to make actionable data available, let alone turn it into business value. Studies have shown that most companies use only 10% of their data, where 10% is actually business relevant data being analyzed. While putting it into action is difficult, 32% of executives say they can create some value from this data, and especially only a quarter of the workforce knows what to do with it. Roughly 24% of decision makers feel that they are data literate. So that's where Qlik comes in. Qlik helps organizations to tackle these challenges head on with complex data challenges, transforming it into business value, leveraging an end-to-end portfolio. With Qlik's data integration platform, you can easily free and find all the data you should be using for analysis. Qlik's AI-powered data analytics platform with its patented associative technology, allowing users to perform free-form exploration. Therefore, they can understand their data and take action upon it. And of course, to support users throughout this journey, Qlik finds customer success through data literacy to empower everyone within the organization to successfully work with data and their platform technology. So we are currently entering into the third generation of BI, and with Qlik's end-to-end capabilities, they are leading the way. The first generation was comprised of complex technology stacks, mostly managed by specialists in a very centralized manner. The primary output was static reports, which provided visibility into known questions, but also often led to follow-up questions that could not be answered easily. Systems were, of course, difficult to use, required extensive training, were slow to set up, adapt and turn around answers. Roughly 25% of the organization benefited at best. The response to this was the second generation BI, often referred to as data discovery. This was originally pioneered by Qlik. It is user-driven, empowering the business units to be more agile and respond to changes faster. This ultimately evolved into more self-service capabilities for business users, allowing people to more freely explore data instead of just reviewing static reports. It's been estimated that self-service analytics has reached up to 50% of business users in an organization. Although this is considerably a better approach, many organizations still struggle to govern a myriad of tools and different approaches to analytics, thus having a lack of a consistent data strategy. So now, this is giving rise to the third generation of BI, which Qlik refers to as a democratized approach. Building off the second generation, Qlik believes that there is an opportunity to do more with data, achieve a fully data-driven state that will ultimately unlock the potential value in your data. Qlik's data analytics platform enables third generation BI, an approach where data analytics is democratized across the organization to drive a data-driven digital transformation. When you make all the available data accessible to your workforce, giving everyone the power to explore it, you have more potential than ever to anticipate and meet future needs, identify and capitalize on new opportunities, and transform how things are done. So what's unique about the Qlik platform? Firstly, we talk about the associative difference. Simply put, the associative difference prevents tunnel vision by adding peripheral vision. Think about the traditional SQL query-based visualization tool and its approach. A query is constructed that returns a positive match to that query. Bring back only the data that matches that query. That now focuses the user on a very narrow result. Contrast that to Qlik, which because of its associative technology, not only returns the positive match to the selection state, but also adds layers of peripheral vision, the data that somewhat matches, the data that doesn't matches as well. Later on, Eric may show you a bit more about this. Next, we talk about augmented analytics, which is the second major differentiation in how Qlik has uniquely brought powerful AI capabilities to all use cases for analytics. Whether is it conversational analytics embedded in collaboration tools, or free-form data exploration with an application, or drilling down and drew across a pre-configured dashboard. Augmented intelligence is not a separate bolt-on feature or product. With Qlik's platform approach, built on top of the associative technology and cognitive learning engine, this means that everyone is more empowered to find more insights faster in any situation required by the business. Lastly, we talk about the embedded at the point of decision. The Qlik platform allows you to embed analytics where it's needed the most, directly into decision-making processes and applications. So actions are immediately driven by insights. By embedding analytics directly into critical business processes, you are putting the power of data in the hands of the decision maker at the point in time where it matters the most. This, of course, leads to more agile, more confident decision making. The matter of fact is that Qlik has invested in building an analytical platform first, then put on top of it an intuitive self-service visualization and discovery tool. This platform approach provides a unique way for customers to expand the reach of their data, as well as analytics strategy to even external parties such as suppliers, partners, and even customers. QlikSense QlikSense runs on the unique associative engine, which has been powering Qlik products for the last 20 years. It provides an unmatched ability for users of all skill levels to freely explore their data without the limitations of SQL, RDBMS query-based tools. How is this possible? Well, the truth is, relational databases and SQL queries were not designed to support modern analytics. Most visualization tools rely on SQL and query-based approaches as their fundamental architecture for modeling data, as well as supporting interactive analysis. This, however, greatly limits users in the questions they can ask, the paths they can explore, and the breadth of data sources they can combine. People get stuck with what we call earlier tunnel vision, where they can only see and explore very narrow sets of data, just as the values that positively match the query criteria. Furthermore, there is no global context, so visualizations do not update together automatically as users interact with the dashboards. Global search is also limited in this case, and organizations often struggle to fully combine data sources using SQL joins. Relational databases also suffer from performance issues when running high numbers of queries concurrently. The result of all this together is what matters the most. People simply miss the important insights. Qlik does this differently. At the heart of this platform is a one-of-its-kind associative engine, built from the ground up for interactive free-form exploration and analysis. It indexes and understands all the associations within the data across all available data sources. Users of all skill levels can freely search and explore analytics and data in any direction, without any form of boundaries or even blind spots. After each click, the associative engine sets a new global context and instantly recalculates all analytics based on it, allowing people to spot insights in surrounding visualizations, pivot their thinking based on what they are saying, and because of it, they allow us to understand the relationship in the data relative to current selections, returns not just positive associations, and as well as adding layers of peripheral vision such as values that matches and the values that doesn't match. So this result is very simple. Users consistently uncover high value, hidden insights that would be missed by query-based tools. Qlik's associative engine also allows organizations to combine large numbers of data easily. Without the need for SQL joins or complex data modeling, it delivers unmatched speed of thought, calculation, and performance for high numbers of users and large complex data sets. This has been the foundation of Qlik products for the last 20 years, and with continuous innovation and investment, focusing on empowering people to do more with their intuition. And the proof is there is great user experience with all our customers who are already using this platform. Qlik supports human exploration with their patented associative engine, which is a proven game-changing technology that works the way the human mind does, giving people peripheral vision, letting them explore in a non-linear way. People bring outside knowledge and intuition to this process, which then shape the context of their analysis. Qlik also combines the associative technology with powerful cognitive engine, adding augmented intelligence and machine learning capabilities to enhance the ability of people to uncover insights and interact with data. Drawing from all these core technologies, Qlik has what we call Insight Advisor to enhance just about everything you do across the analytics lifecycle. It generates and suggests insights, both visual and associative, automates processes around analytics creation and data preparation. It even supports natural language interaction, delivering the power of advanced analytics just to anyone of all skill levels. And Qlik's associative engine manages the global context earlier that I shared. And in each step of a user's exploratory process, knows all the data that's associated and unrelated in that context. Qlik can then factor this into machine analysis, making insight suggestions more relevant. Combining this context awareness with algorithmic techniques to help users see the previously unseen. This is unique to Qlik and is not possible without access to a complete set of enterprise data. The ability to understand all the associations within it and the right vehicle for users to explore and interact, including visual or conversational interaction. So, the human and the machine have a shared context that influences their unique contribution to the analytics, making both more insightful, and therefore this is what we call true augmented analytics. The user is enhanced by the system, and the system is enhanced by the user, vice versa. If analytics is a separate activity, it is most likely bound to fail. That is why Qlik knows that it is essential that analytics occurs at the point of decision in three key ways. Firstly, embedded in technology. By physically embedding analytics into crucial business applications, it increases the context of the user and the analysis. Qlik built an analytics application with an open and standard APIs. So you can put analytics anywhere needed and have the analytics remain in context with the application. Secondly, we talk about embedded in workflows. When analytics are made readily available, users will never find a need to slow down. This results in analysis being part of the workflow process. Therefore, there is no need to stop and perform more analysis because the analysis is already there available for users. And when analytics are readily available, it often gets used. Lastly, we talk about embedded in decisions. Ultimately, Qlik's platform means you can embed analytics where it's needed the most, directly into the decision-making processes and applications. Actions are immediately driven by insights where the goals impacts decisions. By embedding analytics directly into critical business processes, you are putting the power of data in the hands of the decision maker at a point in time where it matters the most.